All right. Rajiv Desai, has Rahul Gandhi lost before he's begun? Is he going to leave Amethi now?
नहीं अभी 9:23 मैं क्या बोलूँगा अभी 9:25 तक कुछ नहीं होएगा इधर.
The debate is on. Rajiv Desai. Rajiv Desai, is Rahul Gandhi going to leave? Is Rahul Gandhi going to leave Amethi now? Rajiv Desai, the question is to you. Answer the question. Is Rahul Gandhi going to leave Amethi now?
Bellary.
Rajiv Desai, is Rahul Gandhi going to leave Amethi now?
I refuse to answer completely hypothetical questions.
Why?
You should ask the question that Rahul Gandhi is in Gujarat. He has business being in Gujarat because he's campaigning for the Congress. What business does Amit Shah and Smriti Irani have in Amethi? There's no election there.
Why?
They're so rattled that
Samit.
they have to go there like little children and say, I'm going to fight in my corner. Come on, Arnab.
Okay, Samit Patra. Samit Patra.
All fantasy. I don't even want to be part of it.
Going ahead to say that we move for campaigning only when the election sits on our head is the kind of thought process that the Congress
Why aren't you showing?
That we campaign
Arnab,
only
why
when
aren't you
election sits our door, otherwise we would not campaign.
Why aren't you covering
See,
Rahul Gandhi's rallies in Gujarat? Why aren't you covering Rahul Gandhi's rallies in Gujarat?
I am showing.
Go and see the turnouts. Mr.
I am showing Rahul Gandhi dancing.
Can I?
Look,
he's covering. Look, Mr.
He's
Rahul
dancing.
Gandhi dancing there. He has been covered.
No, but I'm showing pictures of Rahul Gandhi dancing.
He's dancing in Gujarat. You can see him.
Let's see the pictures.
That I have
He's dancing in Gujarat. Look there.
Arnab,
you can see for
yourself.
yourself.
Get me off the screen.
Who says? The whole day we have been seeing these pictures and laughing.
I cannot sink to this level. I cannot sink to this level that this man is. I cannot
we
be
saw
part
him
of a
dancing
polite
in Gujarat
conversation
right now.
with somebody
and
who's
you
so
say
rude
that he's not been
and
covered.
somebody who has no
Look, he's
values,
dancing. Look at
somebody
him.
who has nothing. I cannot be part of it.
Who's
I cannot be part of it.
Oh my
this
God.
is, I mean,
No,
this
who's
is how
nothing?
low can you go? I cannot be part
Can
of
I-
a
can I
conversation. You
complete
want to have a
my
conversation on the issues? You answer my question. Why did they go to Amethi when Rahul has a business to go to Gujarat?
Okay, why do you go to
I'll answer
Amethi?
that.
Samit, go on. Reply, Samit.
As a
Reply,
spokesperson of
Samit.
BJP, I'll answer that as to why Smriti ji and Amit Shah ji went to Amethi. I'll answer that if you want. Why should Arnab answer that? I'm answering that. Cool down, sir. Cool down. I mean, I don't understand the sense of entitlement of this congressman that no one should enter their bastion. Please don't shout. Please don't shout and show some courtesy.
I am not an.
Don't
I am
fall
not
ill
a
unnecessarily.
Louder, I can't hear them, please.
No, it's
Howsoever
not
you
that.
shout,
Don't change the
Rahul Gandhi is
subject.
not going to
Don't
launch
change the
himself.
subject.
So don't spoil your health for don't spoil your health for Rahul
has
Gandhi,
the
sir.
business
Allow others
to
to
be
speak.
in Gujarat.
I'm going to answer.
What business
I'm going
did
to
they
answer
have
that.
to be
I've heard your
in
question.
Amethi other than because they are rattled by Rahul and so they've gone there to raise all these complaints.
Let me answer
and can
that.
you imagine a 5-term MP in whose bastion hundreds of kids die in hospitals?
Sir, I have got your question.
And what
Can I answer that?
You're down to 0.2%.
Tell you.
No, you have no answers. I'm sorry.
Mr. Rajiv, I have got your question. Let me please answer that. Don't be rattled over here in this debate. Allow others to speak also. Arnab, to the first
I'm not
question
rattled.
of Mr. Rajiv Desai
You're the
as to
guys
what
who are
business did
rattled.
Mr. Amit Shah and Ms. Smriti Irani had to go to Amethi.
Ganja.
I mean, like, if
Vinod
there is no election in the corner, so you have this sense of entitlement that no one should enter the Gandhi bastion, despite the fact that you had 3 generations ruling over Rai Bareli and Amethi, and you could not roll out development there. Our business was to go and see as to how the people of Amethi are suffering and as to how we can usher in development there. Don't you feel that this is the real narrative of Indian politics? Development should be the real narrative of Indian politics. And yes, we have entered the Gandhi bastion
not a good
to show
photo
the
op.
truth
Rajiv,
to the world
Rajiv,
today
that-
that
You're talking
after
about
all these
development.
years, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been
He's
Mr.
talking
Rahul
about
Gandhi has been at the helm of affairs.
What
since
development are you
2004
talking
to 2018.
about?
Not a single road.
What development
not
are you
employment.
talking about?
What?
You're
He
talking
has
about
not even brought a single
less than
factory,
1%
single
growth,
industry to
a
Amethi,
decline in
and
the
here
economy.
you are asking me what
Yeah,
business did he
a
have?
complete
My question
embarrassment in
is, why
foreign
was
policy.
he not carrying out his
Development की
business
बात कर
in
रहे हो.
Amethi? The
Don't
business
talk
of a
nonsense.
member of parliament, the business of
there is no
development.
development
Why
that
was
BJP
Rahul
can
Gandhi
speak
lacking
of.
on that front?
You the last person. You are the last.
Mr.
people
Mr.
to-
Rajiv Desai, Mr.
Rajiv Desai,
you may
Rajiv
have-
Desai, one second.
you may
Rajiv
be a
Desai,
sycophant
Rajiv
of
Desai and
this
Sambit,
order.
1 minute. 1 minute. I'll tell you the
Rajiv
facts.
Desai, you may
I'll
be
tell you the
sycophant
facts.
of
First
greatest
of all,
order of the Gandhi
first of all,
family.
first
But
of all,
that
I
does
cannot
not steal
stand.
you from the
No.
truth. The
This
truth is Rahul Gandhi has been exposed.
Doon school approach to life. Rajiv Desai, let me be very clear. This Doon school
He has
approach
to
to
leave
life.
because he knows that Rahul also is going to leave.
This Doon school approach to life, what business do you have to come in this constituency? Does anybody own Amethi, Vinod Sharma? Do the Gandhis own Amethi? Is Amethi a part of India?
Don't twist my words.
No, you don't have this
twist my
Doon
words.
school approach to life.
Don't twist my words.
This
All
Doon
I said
school
was
entitled
that they're
approach
so
to life
rattled-
must end.
They're so rattled.
No,
that
it's
they
a
have
fact.
to go there.
Your
just to
entire,
try
It's a fact.
and divert
thought
attention.
process is twisted.
I am
Mr.
telling you.
Desai, leave aside your
divert
words.
attention
Please
from
understand.
the
Now,
scam.
listen,
In
Vinod
the
Sharma,
art of psychophancy, your entire thought
Vinod Sharma, let's be very factual here today. 9 out of 13, 14 elections that have been taken place in Amethi over the years have been won by the Gandhis, which means that for more than 2/3 of the period of Indian independence, the Gandhis have run Amethi. And the fact is that the Gandhis have ruined Amethi. They have run it to the ground. Compared to Uttar Pradesh, the per capita income in Amethi is 60% the baseline of Uttar Pradesh. Pathetic. It is one of the most impoverished parts of Uttar Pradesh after decades of Gandhi family rule. Right or wrong, Vinod Sharma? Point number 2. They are about to lose. Rajiv Desai walked out of the debate. Rajiv Desai has walked out. Let's show that. He walked out of the debate. Okay, no problem. No problem. Because maybe I mentioned the Doon school approach to the world. Now, Vinod Sharma.
This is just the beginning.
No, Vinod
This
Sharma.
only
Vinod
indicates
Sharma
that Rahul
and
Gandhi is
Mr.
also going to
Ansari.
walk out of Amethi.
Vinod Sharma and Mr. Ansari. The question today is, who represents the people of India better? An entitled non-achiever who only has his Gandhi name to himself and nothing else, called Rahul Gandhi? Or Smriti Irani? Dynasty or merit? This is now the option before the country. Do you agree or disagree with my 2 propositions, Mr. Vinod Sharma? One, that the Gandhis have ruined Amethi and run it to the ground. Secondly, that this has become a dynasty versus merit fight. 2 simple questions. Vinod Sharma replying. Debate is on. Vinod Sharma.
Now, please give me time to reply. Please, first of all, listen to me carefully. Elections are due a year and a half from now, perhaps a little more. And the people will decide. In the last elections, it's a fact that Mr. Rahul Gandhi conceded more votes than any member
He
of the Gandhi
almost
family has
lost.
conceded to a rival. Because, no, please listen to me. Don't butt in like this, Either you let me speak or ask me to shut up.
No, but he did almost lose.
300,000
Am I
votes.
wrong there? You
Until-
see, I'm only making a fact,
Oh,
Vinod
please,
Sharma. Did he or not
he-
almost
he-
lose?
he
He
won
only
by
won by 1 lakh
100,000.
votes for margin, came
He
to
won by
25% of what it
100.
was the last time. So he's
Yeah,
on the
he
edge.
won
He's on the edge.
100,000 is not only, 100,000 is big
Sir,
number.
it's 25%
Let us be
of the
fair
margin of the previous
when we are
year.
discussing a situation. But the fact remains, you would let me complete. I know better than you on this.
No,
Please
sir,
let me
I'm quoting
complete.
the facts. You know no better than
And
me or
please
worse.
ask Mr.
You know
Sambit
exactly what I
Patra
do.
to hold his horses for a while and listen to me carefully.
All right.
I have come here to add value to the debate. I have not
have
come
only
here to
raised my
get
finger,
devalued, Mr. Arnab Goswami. No, please. Please don't raise your finger. I get scared. Your finger goes up, Arnab obeys. Please. So
One
please
second.
listen to me carefully.
One
Oh my
second.
God, you are
Mr.
scared
Vinod
to disagree
Sharma.
with you. This is
Mr. Vinod
audacious.
Sharma.
No.
Vinod Sharma.
In a democratic
Mr. Vinod
country, I
Sharma.
don't have a right
Mr.
to
Mr.
raise
Vinod
my
Sharma.
finger.
Mr. Vinod
I
Sharma.
know, you got upset
When
with
I
this.
no. Vinod Sharma, I'll tell you one thing.
upset you.
Vinod
Mr.
Sharma, I'll
Vinod
tell you
Sharma,
one
you
thing.
don't have to
I
be.
want to
Mr.
tell you
Vinod
one
Sharma,
thing.
don't get
I
scared.
am asking you a simple
absolutely
question.
wrong.
Now, what I want to know from you, Vinod Sharma, is this. That
So I'm
I asked
answering
you.
the simple
Sorry,
question.
no. I'll tell you what's
You're
getting
not
you
letting me
upset.
finish,
Vinod
Arnab.
Sharma,
It is
Vinod
unfortunate.
Sharma, since you are saying you're a
No, I'm
neutral
not upset
journalist,
at all. I'm very
since
happy
you are saying that
answering
you're a
your
neutral
questions.
journalist,
Would you allow me to be happy and let me answer your question?
Vinod Sharma, I am asking
I
you.
want to
I am
answer your
asking you.
question
I
in
am asking
totality.
you.
In
One
totality.
question, Vinod Sharma.
Please listen
that
to me.
when I said, no,
I
sorry,
beseech
you
you,
listen to
listen
me
to me.
because you made an observation
Then
there
you may
that I
agree
won't
with
let
me.
you get away with. Vinod Sharma, I asked you a question that
No,
the
what?
statistics
What?
show that Rahul Gandhi's victory margin was
I'm giving you the
25%
statistics,
in
yaar.
2014. Don't
Arey,
tell me anything.
please
When
read the
statistics
statistics
don't
right.
suit
I'm
you,
reading it
when
right for you.
statistics don't suit you, you don't want to listen.
Please
But I'm
listen to
asking
me.
you, Vinod Sharma, why you get upset when
And
I tell you Rahul Gandhi is
I'm
not
not
doing well.
contesting in Amethi.
You are not a congressman.
I'm not a candidate
You're not a
there.
congressman. Why are you
Please
upset
listen
when
to
I
me.
say Rahul Gandhi is
For
not
the
doing
first
well?
time,
Why are you upset
I'm
when
not
I
upset
tell you
at
that
all. You're
Rahul
getting
Gandhi is not
upset.
doing well? Simple.
Is this
Answer
a
the question.
discussion now? It's a slanging match. Yaar.
Answer the question.
I'm answering the question.
Answer it.
For the first time since 19, please listen to me. Yaar. For the first time in the history of Amethi elections, ever since the Gandhis entered the fray, any rival of the Gandhi family got more than 100,000 votes. It was Smriti who got 300,000 votes. Now this should be an eye-opener for you. Please listen to me carefully now. Indeed, Amethi is a difficult seat for Rahul. If Smriti
That's the
contests
point.
against him, it's a difficult seat.
So will he run?
And I don't have any sense of clairvoyance. I do not have a sense of clairvoyance like you.
That is
whether
not
he'll run
even
or
my
contest from
question.
that seat.
That is
I
not
don't
even
have
my
that.
question.
I don't look into the future.
That is not,
But
I'm
you
not
seem
asking
to
you
have
to be
become
a
big
clairvoyant.
Jyotishi.
I have no illusions that
Together
you are
with
a
the
prophet.
journalist,
Vinod
to be
Sharma,
able
if there
to
is
look into
anything
the
else, let
future.
me tell you,
I
you are
can't match
certainly
your
not a
strength.
prophet.
Mr.
Neither do I
Sharma,
expect you to
please,
be
I
one.
can't match
But
your
I
strength.
expect you to be honest.
You will left
But I
me far
expect you to be
behind.
honest. I expect you to be honest.
I'm being honest.
I
I
ask a
told you
straight
just
question.
now.
In my view,
Honest what?
Vinod
If I
Sharma,
agree
listen
with
to
you, I'm
me.
honest.
Listen to
If
me.
I disagree with you,
Listen
I'm
to
not
me, sir.
honest.
You may be a generation
How does it
older
work?
to me, but you have no
How does-
business trying to
on
run
the-
me down on
by your
television.
logic,
I am asking
the
you a
only
question here,
person
Vinod Sharma,
honest
right
on
now.
this
And
panel
listen to me,
is my
Vinod
friend
Sharma.
Samit
I am
Patra,
telling you my
because
view.
both of you
My
agree
view
with
is
each
this.
other.
On the one side,
You
there
are
is
a perfect
dynasty.
mutual admiration society.
Dynasty and political failure, Rahul Gandhi. And on the other side, there is merit, which is Smriti Irani. Why does it hurt you to acknowledge that the Rahul Gandhi Smriti Irani fight is a classic dynasty
I
versus
don't
merit
ridicule-
fight? Why does it hurt
I
you
do
to
not
acknowledge that?
ridicule
Debate is
democratic
open, please.
dynasties the
Debate is
way you
open.
do.
नहीं, मैं विनोद
I do not
जी आपसे
ridicule.
कृपया ये जानना चाहता हूं, आपने बहुत डिबेट पर प्रारंभ की, 1 लाख वोटों का जो है वो मार्जिन है। आपने विधानसभा चुनाव में देखा 5 की 5 सीटें कांग्रेस के हाथ से गई, 4 सीटें भाजपा के पास, एक गायत्री प्रजापति
हाँ,
जेल में।
दिक्कत तो बोला तो हाँ
ऐसी
मैंने कि
स्थिति में
बहुत दिक्कत है
ऐसी
वहाँ
स्थिति
पर।
में दूसरा एक मुद्दा
अमेठी
आपका
difficult seat है,
जो
शुक्ला
प्रश्न
जी।
था, जो सवाल था, अर्नब का सवाल जो था बहुत सीधा सवाल था कि एपैथी की सिचुएशन है।
अरे भाई, आप सब इकट्ठे होकर मुझसे
एवरेज
सवाल
उसका
पूछ रहे हो।
उत्तर प्रदेश में डेवलपमेंट
अरे
और
is this a
सम्राट
war
जैसी
tribunal or
फैक्ट्री,
what?
किसानों की फैक्ट्री, सम्राट जैसी फैक्ट्री
घनश्याम is on the right, घनश्याम।
और उस पर कुछ बनाते नहीं आप।
भाई, एक ही
राजीव
आदमी
गांधी
को पूछने को
फाउंडेशन
दो,
जो
तीन,
है
चार
वो राहुल
घनश्याम
गांधी
is on
के
the right।
नेतृत्व में पूरी तरह से लैंड शार्क बन गया है। और लैंड शार्क के खिलाफ यदि कोई बात करे तो दून स्कूल का कोई व्यक्ति खड़ा होकर कह दे कि आपको वहां एंटर करने का अधिकार
घनश्याम
नहीं
तिवारी।
है। ये लोकतंत्र है,
घनश्याम
ये
तिवारी।
तो सामंती व्यवस्था है। सेमी फ्यूडल सोसाइटी खड़ा कर रहे हैं
समझ में नहीं
क्या?
आई।
अमेठी को क्या
Arnab,
सेमी फ्यूडल
when
सोसाइटी
you
मान रहे
speak
हैं?
about dynasty versus merit, let us first place the merit. Smriti Irani ji as a leader could be a role model for many in the country, but the question is, has
Samit.
she performed? She was Minister of HRD. She reacted to a statement of Rahul Gandhi in 10 seconds, but she could not find the courage to react to what was happening at Banaras Hindu University
Can I-
when she was in Banaras.
Smriti,
She was
Samit
an
Patra.
ex-MHRD minister, HRD minister. She did not react. In her 18,000 tweets, the girls of BHU
See,
did not
I've been
find a single
hearing
mention.
to everyone.
So let us not
Please
create
allow
role
me a
models
rebuttal. First to
who
Mr.
descend
Vinod
for
Sharma and
photo
thereafter
op.
to Mr.
As
Ghanshyam
the Ministry
Tiwari.
of Textiles
Ghanshyam
under
ji,
demonetization
allow
and
me my
GST
rebuttal.
has suffered. As per Indian Express, 67 units have been shut. 17,000 workers have been impacted. If merit has to speak,
Now
it
let
has
me-
to
now let me
speak on
answer.
bankable.
Are you actually
credit-worthy
saying-
performance? Where is that credit-worthy performance?
Are
India
you
has
actually
slipped
saying
in
no?
the
Are you
international
actually
ranking.
saying?
Can
Are you
I
actually
please
saying
come
tonight?
back?
And
Ghanshyam
institutes
Tiwari,
like
Ghanshyam
IIT
Tiwari,
and
1 minute.
ISC.
Ghanshyam
Why
Tiwari,
does merit not
Ghanshyam
speak
Tiwari,
on bankable
Ghanshyam
credibility?
Tiwari.
Why should
Rahul Gandhi
merit
is
speak
48
when-
years
when
old
on a podium
and
there's
Smriti
Amit Shah,
Irani is
and
41
when
years
BJP
old.
is rattled
One
by-
second,
with
one
what
second. Ghanshyam
Rahul is
Tiwari, we are
doing,
seeing an
and
interesting
BJP is
battle
rattled
here.
by its own
Rahul
poor
Gandhi,
performance on
Ghanshyam
economic front.
Tiwari.
Where was the question of jobs?
Ghanshyam Tiwari, Ghanshyam, Rahul Gandhi is 48 years old. Smriti is 41 years old. Both have chosen Amethi as their battleground. Who represents the younger generation of politics better?
Wrong.
The current and
It's
information and
a
broadcasting
misrepresentation
minister.
of fact. Smriti Irani ji has spent 30 days in Amethi, and if somebody thinks that in 30 days she comes with a magic wand when she could not transform two ministries that she has handled.
No, one second. Samit Batra.
That is
Samit.
fiction. Merit cannot stand on fiction. If you
Can
have
I please-
performance,
can I
tomorrow
please?
Samit Patra becomes a minister.
Ghanshyam,
and
you have
he's done
spoken
phenomenally
for
well
you
as
have
a
spoken
spokesperson.
for a span
But
of
if he
time.
becomes a
Allow
minister
others
and he does
also
not
to
Samit and
speak,
Mr.
please,
Ansari.
to
Ghanshyam.
be called out. Merit
first
does
and
not
foremost,
require fiction building. It does not require.
Samit and Mr.
foremost, I
Samit and
don't
Mr.
understand.
Samit and
I mean, I
Samit
don't-
and Mr.
please,
Ansari.
Mr. Ghanshyam.
Shehzada,
Please.
when Shahzada is
Please.
in question,
Please.
when union
Please.
ministers are defending Shahzada, where's the question of Shehzada?
Please, Mr. Ghanshyam, allow others to speak also. I know you have a compulsion of defending dynasty because Akhilesh
Well,
Yadav is
others have
also a
been speaking.
dynast. I
Smriti
understand
Irani
that.
spoke
But
for
a young
30
man
minutes.
of your
You
caliber
spoke for
should not
7
be doing
minutes.
it.
So in this
Now let
debate
me
of
answer
45
it.
minutes,
Now let
37
me answer it.
minutes
I
we have
don't understand.
spoken.
I
So there is-
question
there's
Mr.
enough-
Vinod
have a
Sharma.
sense
Mr.
of
Vinod Sharma, if you can
proportionality,
take a
Samit
question
Patra,
of
which
mine.
is
Vinod
not
Sharma.
You call yourself a very senior journalist, which you are.
No,
My
Vinod-
question to
Vinod
Vinod Sharma ji
you
is, I know
don't
Mr. Vinod Sharma will
answer.
not interfere because he was intimidated. When I raised my finger, I expect Mr. Vinod Sharma would not intimidate me by interrupting.
Oh, get-
My
I'm still
simple
scared,
question,
yeah.
Mr. Sharma,
Again
since
you're
you
raising your finger.
say that you have profound experience, and you rightfully so. Sir, so let me please speak. You are a senior person, I have a serious question. So for how long
Sure,
do we
sure.
all have to debate
Please
and
go ahead.
discuss whether Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a failure or a success? For how long? All these years, haven't we gathered what Mr. Rahul Gandhi is? Mr. Rahul Gandhi is, I mean, there were researchers from various organizations showing that he was the least present member of parliament in the parliament. He was caught sleeping in
Mr.
parliament.
Ansari.
No questions asked in parliament. He took up no responsibility.
He's asking
when
me
the
a question and
Congress
you're calling
UPA
out Mr.
government was in
Ansari.
power. Right now we
Great.
had Ghanshyam Tiwari questioning
comparing.
the capabilities of Smriti Irani ji. My simple question is, did
No, for how
Rahul
long
Gandhi
do we
take
have
up a
to discuss
responsibility?
demonetization
The
was
only
success or
thing that
failure?
Mr. Rahul Gandhi
If you
did
talk about
when
successes
he
and
was in
failures,
power
let's
was
speak of
to
that.
tear
Don't
was
change
to
the
tear
goalpost.
that
I
piece of
asked you about
paper
performance
on
and
the face
merit.
of
You
Mr.
don't have an
Manmohan
answer.
Singh, calling
I
him
asked
nonsense.
about your
So
government.
what
You
is
don't
the
have an
till
answer.
what
Your
till what
agenda of
time?
governance is limited
आखिर
to
कब
photo
तक
op
आखिर
that
कब
you
तक हम
use to
राहुल गांधी को
distract
हीरो
the
बनाने की
issue of
कोशिश
the day.
करेंगे? Till what time?
नहीं, आप-
Mr.
आपके
Ghanshyam Tiwari, the story
आपने
of Rahul
नरेंद्र
Gandhi and
मोदी जी
Akhilesh
को अपनी
Yadav is
पार्टी
one and the
का-
same.
का
Both
प्रतिनिधि
of you are
चुना,
sitting on the
उन्होंने
same
देश में
cycle of
प्रधानमंत्री
dynasty.
बनाया। आखिर कब
Both
तक
of
इस
you,
देश का
Mr.
युवा रोजगार
Akhilesh
के लिए
Yadav
बैठा
and Mr.
रहेगा?
Rahul
अगर आपसे
Gandhi
पूछा जाए,
are riding the
Mr.
same
Mr.
cycle of
Ansari.
dynasty, and that's
Mr.
the reason
Ansari.
why you are rattled
In the
today.
last one
Mr.
There is no
Ansari.
place for military
Mr.
party.
Ansari.
Your party
Ansari जी को सवाल है मेरा संबित 1 minute. Ghanshyam, let me get Mr. Ansari and Ajay Alok into the debate as well. Just 1 minute. Ghanshyam, listen.
अरे
It's a very
एक ही साइकिल में बैठे हैं राहुल और अखिलेश। दोनों डायनास्ट हैं।
Sambit, wait. It's a very serious issue. A person who is being propped up, I don't know for what merit, to be the president of his party, why has his constituency rejected him? Now, this is a question the whole country will ask Mr. Ansari, कि अमेठी ने राहुल गांधी को रिजेक्ट क्यों किया?
देखिए
नहीं, आपको मैं तथ्य नहीं, why has
अमेठी की जनता ने राहुल गांधी को स्वीकार किया है, रिजेक्ट नहीं किया है।
अच्छा, then I'll tell you one thing. No, 1 second. Mr. Ansari, 1 second, just 1 second. Mr. Ansari, I have a question for you because your facts are wrong and it is my duty to correct you. Hasn't Amethi rejected Rahul Gandhi?
Sure.
When the Congress party lost all the 4 state assembly seats in Amethi? When the people have rejected his party in one huge sweep just this year? Why is you don't call that a rejection, is it? When you lose 4 assembly seats in the same constituency, you don't call it a rejection, is it? I'm not even talking about 140, 150 people from the Congress deserting and joining the BJP. उसके बारे में सवाल नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. सारे आप assembly seats में हार गए. और जब मैंने आपको कहा कि राहुल गांधी को अमेठी के लोगों ने रिजेक्ट क्यों किया, आप कांग्रेस के लिए समर्थक हो सकते हो उनके. But don't question me on facts. The question is, why has Rahul Gandhi why has Amethi rejected Rahul Gandhi?
है अर्णव
Yes.
जी,
Tell me. Tell me.
नहीं, फैक्ट ये है कि पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर हैं राहुल गांधी।
नहीं।
और
I'm talking about the assembly
के उपाध्यक्ष हैं जिनके
अजय आलोक।
ऊपर पूरी जिम्मेदारी है
अजय आलोक।
पूरे देश में। अब देखिए गुजरात का
अर्णव, I don't know,
और
I don't know,
राहुल गांधी
इकबाल
गुजरात
अंसारी
में
जी
कैंपेन कर रहे हैं
और बाकी सारे लोग
और ऐसा
इस
प्रतीत
पैनल
होता
पे
है कि
They will all
गुजरात में
understand
बीजेपी
one
की
thing.
करारी हार होने वाली है।
इकबाल जी,
तो क्या
सुन लीजिए।
इसके मतलब ये समझा
अंसारी जी,
जाएगा
अच्छा,
कि
ठीक है, गुजरात में हो जाएगी हार।
बीजेपी को रिजेक्ट कर दिया।
अरे, गुजरात में हो जाएगी हार, मान गए आपकी बात।
रिजेक्ट कर दिया ऐसा नहीं।
अरे, एक बात तो
मिनट,
सुनिए
मेरी
ना।
बात तो अभी पूरी होने
मैं जो
दीजिए,
कह रहा
तब
हूं
आप
वो
बोलिएगा
सच्चाई
ना,
पे
आलोक
कह
जी।
रहा हूं।
मैं आप बोलिएगा, आपको पूरा मौका है।
Why has-
चलिए, आप
इसलिए
अंसारी जी
राहुल
पंसारी बन
गांधी
के कितने भी माल बेचेंगे,
ऊपर
राहुल गांधी का
देश
ब्रांड
की
जो है,
जनता का
वो
जितना
चल
विश्वास,
अमेठी से भी
कांग्रेस
रिजेक्ट हो
का
गया है।
विश्वास और
अमेठी से भी रिजेक्ट हो गया है। अंसारी जी पंसारी बन के राहुल गांधी नाम के ब्रांड को आप अमेठी में अब नहीं बेच सकते। अमेठी की जनता ने विधानसभा के चुनाव में
गुजरात
कह दिया है।
हार रहे हैं, उनकी फील्ड खत्म हो रही है।
अंसारी जी, आप कितने भी पंसारी बन जाएं, अब राहुल ब्रांड अमेठी में रिजेक्ट हो गया है। इस तथ्य को स्वीकारें
मुश्किल हो रहा
और
है।
कृपया
गुजरात
सपनों
का
से बाहर
चुनाव
निकले।
है, तो वो अमेठी की तरफ जा रहे हैं। जाएं, वेलकम। कोई भी पॉलिटिकल लीडर को किसी भी
नहीं,
क्षेत्र
सवाल
में
ये है
जाने
कि क्या वो
का
रिजेक्ट
पूरा
हुए या
अधिकार
नहीं।
है।
तो
लेकिन
रिजेक्ट हुए,
सवाल
ये
पैदा
स्वीकारिए।
ये होता है,
Summit, Summit on the left, Summit.
बताएगा कि अमेठी और रायबरेली में
अंसारी
कोई
जी,
दूसरा
अंसारी जी,
स्वीकार हुआ ही
अंसारी
नहीं
जी,
है
कृपया
और
करके
न
सुन
होगा।
लीजिए।
अंसारी जी, अंसारी जी, अंसारी जी, अंसारी जी,
अंसारी जी, कृपया करके, अंसारी जी।
Mr. Ansari, 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 1 minute, Mr. Ansari, Mr. Ansari,
रैली खत्म हो गया।
Mr. Ansari, Mr. Ansari, relax. I want Ajay Alok to come in because he has not spoken.
दुनिया के नक्शे पर लाने
अंसारी
वाले
जी, मैं बोल लूं?
वाराणसी
अजय आलोक,
अंसारी जी, मैं बोल लूं?
अजय आलोक, please, अजय आलोक, yes.
मैं बोल लूं?
अजय आलोक।
रिजेक्ट कर दिया वाराणसी की जनता ने
अंसारी
और
जी,
देश की जनता ने। ये
राहुल
सिर्फ
गांधी
अगर
जी
उसको आप उस
ने
तरह से
वही
जोड़ते
किया
हैं, तो इसका मतलब
2002
ये है,
से
ये यही है कि जिस तरह
आज
से
तक
छात्रों के
अमेठी
बीच
के
में
साथ
अनरेस्ट हो रहा है, जिस तरह से
अंसारी जी,
किसानों
सुन
की
लीजिए ना, अब आप-
समस्याएं बढ़ रही हैं,
अभी आप
डेवलपमेंट
गलत
नहीं
कर रहे
है,
हैं।
गंगा की सफाई
Go on,
नहीं है।
अजय आलोक,
सुन ली आपकी
go
बात।
on, अजय आलोक।
अंसारी जी, रुक
कोई
जाइए।
वादे अमेठी में
अरे,
पूरे
रुक
हैं।
जाइए।
कोई वादे नहीं पूरे हुए हैं।
Go on, अजय।
अंसारी जी, राहुल गांधी ने वही किया 2002 से लेके आज तक सांसद बनने के बाद,
कर दिया वहां
जो उनके
प्रधानमंत्री
नाना
को।
परनाना
और पूरे
श्री
देश
नेहरू
दुनिया
जी
में
ने
घूम रहे हैं और
माननीय
सबसे कम
जगजीवन राम जी को
पीरियड
सिखाया
अपने
था।
क्षेत्र में प्रधानमंत्री जी
सुनिए,
गए,
सुनिए।
किसी भी प्रधानमंत्री
और सुनने का
अगर
पेशेंस
आप
रखिए।
देख लीजिए रिकॉर्ड।
सासाराम
तो
गया
सबसे
था मैं,
कम
जगजीवन राम की
अमेठी
constituency।
में
I heard you, sir. One
मेरा
second,
घर
calm down,
पड़ता है
sir.
वहाँ पे।
वाराणसी
प्राइम
अपनी
मिनिस्टर थे
constituency
वो।
Ansari ji, stop, please. Go on, Ajay Alok.
प्रधानमंत्री हैं, तो इसका
सुनिए,
मतलब
सुनिए
क्या
आप।
रिजेक्ट कर दिया?
अजय आलोक, go on.
बेकार है।
Complete your point.
नहीं,
Time is
सुनिए,
limited.
सुनिए, अंसारी जी।
कि जनता ने किसको स्वीकारा और किसको रिजेक्ट
सुनिए,
किया।
अंसारी जी।
आज
The point
आज
is,
अमेठी
this
के
man is
One
a
second.
dejected politician. He never intended to be a politician. He was
Ansari-
number one. Number two, he did what his great grandfather taught him. Jagjeevan Ram has very much said in his documentary and in his memoir that we must, मुझे वैसी क्षेत्र को ही देखना है जहां पे क्षेत्र में जनता की आपसे कुछ अपेक्षा नहीं और आज जनता के लिए आप कुछ मत करो, क्योंकि जब जनता को सबल बना दोगे तो जनता आपको पूछेगी नहीं। ये जगजीवन राम जी ने लिखा है, मीरा कुमार जी के पिताजी ने अपनी मेमोर में जब उनसे पूछा गया कि आपने कॉबलर कम्युनिटी के लिए क्यों कुछ नहीं किया, और ये मुझे नेहरू जी ने सिखाया था, ये मुझे नेहरू जी ने सिखाया था, ठीक है ना। और इसीलिए राहुल गांधी जी ने अमेठी में कभी कुछ नहीं किया और नोट बांट के इलेक्शन जीतते रहे आज तक। क्या बात आप करते हैं? क्या आपको पता नहीं है? उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों को पता नहीं है क्या अमेठी और रायबरेली में नोट कैसे बांटे जाते हैं चुनाव के दौरान? क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं? लेकिन ये शर्म की बात है, ये शर्म की बात है। एक प्रधानमंत्री होने के
I'll just
बावजूद
wrap up with the pictures of Rahul Gandhi dancing.
अपने एक क्षेत्र का डेवलपमेंट
I'll wrap up with the pictures of Rahul Gandhi dancing here today, and he's prancing and dancing around Gujarat. Fact of the matter is that there has been a huge defection of Congress leaders who have left in Amethi. Hundreds of people have left. One top leader, who is his right-hand man in the constituency, has left. For the record, in case Vinod Sharma questions us on fact, his victory margin fell from about 4.5 lakh votes to just over 1 lakh votes. So it fell to almost 22 or 23% of the margin the last time. Now, where is Rahul Gandhi headed to? We don't know. Look at the expression on his face. It about says it all. I thank you all very much. We're heading back with debate number 2 on the other side.